myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 8th class maths. We have started a discussion with the different chapters of 8th class. We learned real numbers and we learned exponents and pairs, right? Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is square roots and cube roots, right? You already know what is a square. Okay, can someone tell me what is a square? A square is multiplying the same number to it. Okay, for example, if I want to find the square of 2, I will write it as 2 into 2. Yes, if I want to find the square of 5, I will write it as 5 into 5. This is 25 or this is 4. Okay, which means a square of any number can be written as a number multiplied with the same. Okay, if I want to find a square, that is nothing but a into a. Is it right? Yes or no? Which means 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. In the same order, we have to learn the squares of 1 to 25. These are mandatory. Okay, these are very useful and mandatory till the end of the chapter. Okay, then what is that we are going to learn in this chapter? That is, by looking at the number, we can tell to which number does it belong, which means kiska square is this number. For example, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, then 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and so on. Okay, up to 625 you have to learn. Is it fine? If you observe here, the last number whatever it is repeating all the time. Yes, did you observe here? Yes, after 49 we will get it as 64 and the next 9 square is 81, then 100. If you observe here, the perfect square numbers, okay, these are called as perfect squares. The perfect square numbers always end with 0, 1, 4, 6, 9. Isn't it? Is there anything extra? 5 also. Okay, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, if these numbers are in the unit place, then only there is a chance of a number to become as perfect square. Okay, is it right? Did you understand? That is what we will learn everything now. Okay, shall we start doing the problems? Let's do. Look at these questions here. That is, he is asking what will be the units digit of a square of these numbers. Okay, 39 को square करे तो whatever the number we get, उसका units digit क्या है? Okay, how can we tell? Just we have to square this. 9 का square क्या है? 81. 81's unit digit is 1. Is it right? That's it. Okay. Here 8742 का square. 2 का square will be obviously 4. Okay, he is asking the unit digit of a squared number. That will be again the square of this unit digit. Okay. Here 5 square is 25. 25 बोले तो 5. Okay. The next 6 का square क्या है? 6 का square is 36. Therefore, I write it as 6. Fine. Then the next question here it is, which of the following are perfect squares? Okay. Here there are 4 numbers. We have to identify whether they are perfect squares or not. Okay. See here there is 1 here. 1 बोले तो it is a perfect square. There is a chance. Tell me for 121. 121 can be written as 11 into 1. Therefore, it is a perfect square. Okay. Second का देखो इधर 256. 6 बोले तो there is a chance. 256 can be written as 16 into 16. Therefore, it is also a perfect square. Okay. What about 600? 1's digit, there is 0 in 1's digit. Okay. Is it a perfect square? There is a chance. But 600 do you get? Tell me, 600 lie between two different numbers, that is 576 and 625. So, it is not a perfect square. Now see here 7. 7 बोले तो do we get any square? Obviously no. Okay, is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. Look at this next question. How many numbers lie between square of 25 and 26? Okay, 25 square और 26 square के बीच में how many numbers do we get? That is, first of all I have to square 25, that is 625. Then next 26 ka square will be 676. Subtracted 26 square minus 25 square, that is 676 minus 625. How much do we get? 51. Is it fine? Is it clear? Very good. Look at the next question. Without adding, he is asking us to find the sum of this. Okay. Now tell me, let us add these two. 1 plus 3, 4. There are two odd numbers. Sum of two odd numbers. Okay. That is a 2 square. Okay. Let us add 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 4, 5, 9. 1, 3, 5. 3 numbers. 3 ka square, 9. Now similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 numbers sum of an odd numbers is nothing but 5 square, which is 25. Is it not easy? Yes? Very good. See here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square is 81. Is it clear? Are these questions not easy to solve? This is very important and easy in order to do that sum. Okay. Did you understand? Fine. Very nice. The next thing we are going to learn is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is defined as there are three numbers in which the sum of the square of one number is sum of squares of other two numbers. Then these three numbers can be called as Pythagorean triplet. Okay. The most popular example for this is 3, 4, 5. How? 3 square plus 4 square is obviously equal to 5 square. Okay. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, equal to 25. 9 plus 16 is 25, equal to 25. Is it clear? Did you understand? Right. Shall we do how to find this? Shall we do one problem? Let's do. Okay. See here. The question given here it is, he is asking us to check whether these pairs forms a Pythagorean triplet or not. Okay. What we have to do? We have to square all the numbers. What do we get? Here 6 square, 8 square, 10 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, 10 square is 100. Okay. If you observe here, if I add these both, I will get this. Okay. That is 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Therefore, 6, 8, 10 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Is it clear? See the next question. 8, 15, 17. 8 square, 15 square, 17 square. Okay. 8 square is 64. 15 square is 225 and 17 square is 289. Right. If I add these both, do I get this? 64 plus 25. Am I getting that? 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. Therefore, 8 square plus 15 square is equal to 17 square. Therefore, 8, 15, 17 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Is it okay? Did you understand? What did we learn? We learned small problems of how do we identify this perfect square. Okay. Then we learned that the sum of odd numbers is equal to a perfect square number. Okay. If it is 5 odd numbers, I will get it as 5 square. If it is 4 odd numbers, I will get it as 4 square. Okay. That's what we have discussed, and we have learned one application of square, that is Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Shall we start finding the square root? Yes. That is, here I know that 2 square is 4. Okay. Then the square root of 4 is called as 2. Okay. simply this is the symbol, or this can also be written as 2 under that. Okay. If the root of higher order, for example third, fourth root, then they will specify it. If it is only 2, we need not specify it. Okay. This is square root of 4 is 2. How do we find? Tell me, there are different methods. As of now, we will learn only simple methods. The first method, which is if you remember, what is 1 plus 3 plus 5? 1, 2, 3, that is 9. How? That is nothing but my 3 square. Is it okay? Isn't it? Which means, if I want to find the square root of 9, what do I do? From 9, I will subtract each and every odd number. 1, then I will get it as 8, then I will subtract it as 3, then I will subtract 5. Okay. How many steps did I get? 3. Therefore, square root of 9 is 3. Is it clear? This is one method to find out the square root of a given number. And there are a few more methods like factorization method and then division method. Okay. Shall we start doing one after the other? Fine. Now see here, the problem we will do is 49. We will use that repeated subtraction method. How do we do? We will go on subtracting all odd numbers. Okay. I don't know till which number we will get. Tell 49 minus 1, 48. 48 minus 3 is 45. 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 minus 7 is 33. 33 minus, after 7 we will get it as 9. 33 minus 9 is 24. 24 minus 11, how much is it? That will be 13. 13 minus 13 will be obviously 0. Is it right? Now check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, square root of 49 is 7. Is it right? We have to count number of steps. Okay. We got 7 steps. Therefore, my square root of 49 is 7. Is it right? Did you understand? This is one method of finding the square root. Okay. Shall we do one more method? The next method, and which is the most popular and most easiest thing, is prime factorization method. Okay. What do you mean by this prime factorization? First of all, I have to find the factors of it, and it should be a prime number. Okay. Is it clear? Shall we do few problem? Let me give you an example. Let us find the factor of 484. Okay. How do we do? The first prime, let us write it as 2. A 2 table let us take. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, again 2 2s are 4. Okay. And the next again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Again, in which table do 121 go? That is nothing but R 11. Again 11 1s are 11. Is it clear? Which means 484 can be written as 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Right? Did you understand? Just I have written this. 2 this, 2 this, 11 into this, 11 into 1. Okay. I have written everything here. In order to find the square root of this, okay, I have to take two numbers common. Okay. Instead of 2 numbers, I have to write only one number. Again, instead of 2 numbers, I have to write only one number, that is 22. Is it right? That is square root of 484 is nothing but my 22. Is it clear? Did you understand? Is it okay? How do we do prime factorization method? Is it clear? Shall we do next problem? Let's do. See here, the next question let us do. How do we find the square root of 4096 by prime factorization method? Okay, shall we start? See here, that is 4096. Let us start with 2 table. Okay, 2048. Okay, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The next 2 2s are 4, 1 will be left, 2 5s are 10, Then next 1 will be left, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 1s are 2, and the next 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 6. Again 2 into 64, 2 into 3, 232, 2 into 16, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, and 2 into 2, then last 2 into 1. Is it fine? Which means 4096 can be written as, how many does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, that is 2 into 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 more 2's. Is it fine? In order to find the square root, I have to take 2 2's common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32 and 64. Therefore, square root of 4096 is 64. Did you understand? Is it not easy to solve? But the only thing we have to know is my tables. Without tables we can't do this. And if you check here, we are not doing like LCM. We will take only prime numbers here, that is 2, 3, 5 most of the times. Okay, rarely you will get a 7 or 11 or 13. Fine, most of the time you will get only 2, 3 and 5. Okay, shall we look at the next question? Find the smallest number by which 2400 is to be multiplied to get a perfect square. Okay, first of all we have to find the square root, that is, let us do prime factorization for it. Okay, now see here, that is 2400, let us do 2 12s are, okay, 2 6s are, 2 300, and the next 2 150, 2 into 75. Is it fine? What shall we do here again now? 5, 20, I mean in 5 table, which what do we get? Let us do it for 3. 3 2s are 6, and the next 3 5s are 15, and the next 5 5s are. Is it right? Now this is nothing but 2400 square root is equal to square root of 2 2 2 2 2. 1 2 3 4 5 2's, and the next 1 3 and 2 5's. Is it right? Now wherever there are 2 numbers, let us take them outside. Okay, what do we get? Instead of these 2's, I will write it as 1 2. Instead of these 2's, I will get 1 2. Instead of these 2 5's, I will get it as 1 5. Remaining 2 things will be inside. Okay, right? Now what are the numbers to make this double? Tell me. In order to bring this outside, I need 1 more 2. In order to get this 3 outside, I need 1 more 3, which means we need to multiply 2 into 3. Okay, that will become 2 into 2 into 5 into, if I multiply 2 into 3 inside, after of 2 do's, I will get 1 more 2. Out for 2 3's, I will get 1 more 3. Okay, now tell me what is the answer? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24, 24 5's are, that is 120. This is the square root of a resultant number after multiplying 2 into 3. Is it clear? Did you understand? These are all different basic things which we have to remember in this chapter. Okay, is it clear? What all we learned today? We learned what are the different square roots, what are the different methods. Okay, we learned the square root of repeated subtraction method, and we also learned how do we find square root by using prime factorization. Is it clear? Fine. Hope everything is clear for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of square roots and cube roots.